Did you know that 50% of businesses and 32% of charities face some kind of data breach in just the last year? And here's the scary part. Research shows that 90% of customers never return to a brand after just one bad experience. Imagine this. Losing your reputation, your customers, and even millions of dollars, all because of one small thing, not doing advertiser verification on Google Ads. Hi, I'm Muntasir. Today, I'll show you step by step how you can easily complete Google Ads Advertiser Verification. And I promise, if you stay with me till the end, you'll be able to verify your account under your own business name and build real trust with your customers. Let's break this down into 4 simple parts. And listen carefully, because the third one is the real game changer. Step 1 is your identity. Go to Billing, Settings, Advertiser Verification. Here, Google will ask for documents like your national ID, passport, trade license, or tax documents. Once approved, it proves you are a genuine business. Next, set up your business information. Inside Google Ads, go to Assets arrow Business Information. Upload your business name and your logo. This isn't just a formality. Your logo actually appears in your ads, which instantly boosts customer trust. Now comes the critical part. Domain verification. You need to prove you own your website. Options: you can use a DNS record, an HTML tag, Google Analytics, or Google Tag Manager. Without this step, many ad formats won't even run. This is the part most advertisers ignore and end up losing campaigns. If you run local ads, you'll need a Google Business Profile. That means verifying your business address and your phone number, sometimes via OTP video or even a postcard from Google. This is essential if you want to appear on Google Maps or run local campaigns. And lastly, if you're in special industries like finance, healthcare, or politics, Google will ask for extra documents. For example, drug licenses for pharmacies, government approval for finance or crypto, and special ID for political ads. Quick question. Have you ever faced an issue running Google Ads because of verification? Drop a yes or no in the comments. I'd love to know how many of you struggled with this. So, quick recap. 1. Verify your identity with documents. 2. Set up your business name and logo. 3. Prove your domain ownership. 4. Verify your business profile for local ads. And remember, special industries may need extra steps. Verification is not just a formality. It's about building trust, protecting your brand, and securing your future. If this video helped, make sure to like it. So, YouTube knows it's useful. And don't forget to subscribe. Because in my next video, I'll share a hidden trick to speed up verification approvals that almost nobody talks about. Stay verified, stay trusted, and I'll see you in the next one.